Hello everyone, my name is Dixie Warner-Weber and I am the gardener at Seymour Library. And with our Ask the Gardener feature, I have some questions from a first-time homeowner and gardener, Colleen. She has an area that gets a fair amount of water. She says it's swampy. And I notice there's a downspout there too, so it's probably all coming off the roof. I would love to have a swampy area because there's plenty of plants that would like to have wet roots. In my garden, I don't get enough water. So she also has a deer issue. So that would determine what plants we put in there. If she didn't have a deer issue, I would say plant roses, hostas, daylilies, lobelia, that's a cardinal flower. Sweet woodruff is good, astilbe. Ferns are wonderful in the wet area. But she has deer, so the roses and the hosta are out. But what she can do is, deer seem to not like aromatic plants in the mint family, herbs. So lavender, bee balm likes wet feet, so that's a good one. Catmint, astilbe, zinnias, peony, and coneflower. Now, some of those lavender doesn't like wet feet, so that would be like in the driest part of the area. So those two, lavender and bee balm is good. Catmint likes it fairly dry, but you're going to have to experiment to see what the deer won't eat and what will survive in a wet area that normally likes dry. So, she also asks about how do I get nutrients back in the soil. Well, compost is the best thing. And you can buy compost. You can get mushroom compost, you can get worm castings, but if you want to make your own, that's the best. And there's various ways to make your own. All you need really is an area to put a layer of greens, browns. And I always have a lot of stuff for salads and fruits, so I put that in my compost. I have one of those revolving ones. But you can do something as simple as a pile, or you could do a barrel, a 20-gallon barrel with a lid. You just layer it in there, and then you have to move it around. So you just lay it inside, roll it around, and then put it back up again so it mixes well. So you need heat, water, and plant material. Don't put in things like dandelions or weeds or anything that has a seed that you don't want in your garden. So mix that into your dirt, and also put in old pot dirt, old potting soil, because that still has some nutrients. It still is good. You can throw it in the composter, or you can just throw it in the garden and mix it in. Gardeners don't waste anything. That's the way to go with that. She also wants to know, how do you get rid of those dandelions and weeds? Pulling is really the only way. I don't like to use Roundup or any of the herbicides. They're linked to cancer. They're just not a good thing unless it's something like poison ivy. That I would use Roundup on, but that's probably the only thing. So you can't really touch it. So the best thing to get a dandelion out is this. And it's an old screwdriver, and it works great, and I have this tape around it so I can find it in the garden so it doesn't blend in and get thrown out. I had $12 weeders that I thrown out because I couldn't find it again, and I got tired of it, so I just resurrected this. So that's the best thing to get those kinds of weeds out. Otherwise, it's hands and knees, and just sitting there methodically pulling the weeds. It's very peaceful. It's good therapy, and you get to think about things and accomplish something at the same time. So that's the questions for today. Thank you.